This may surprise you, but many of the barriers to effective AI adoption are not technical, they're psychological. Research from organizational psychology, technology adoption, and change management consistently shows that people's beliefs about AI often become self-fulfilling. For example, if you believe AI is scary, difficult to learn, or only for techies, you are far less likely to use it. To address this problem, we're going to discuss 3 of the biggest myths when it comes to artificial intelligence. The first is, AI is going to replace everyone. One of my favorite AI sayings is, it is unlikely that AI will replace you. It is far more likely that a human who can effectively use AI will replace you. In reality, AI is much more likely to replace tasks than entire occupations. That's because most jobs consist of dozens of different tasks. AI is really good at some of these tasks and really bad at other tasks. For example, AI is great at data analysis and synthesis. It's also great at content creation. On the other hand, AI struggles with relationship building, trust development, moral reasoning, and decision-making under uncertainty. So ask yourself this question: what do I do better than AI? That's where you want to focus your efforts. Do what AI cannot and use AI to become more effective at doing it. The second myth is, if AI can do something I can do, my skills no longer matter. In reality, nothing could be further from the truth. As I just said, AI is good at some things and not so good at other things. The key is for you to figure out how you can use AI to become more efficient, effective, and productive at your job. To do this, answer a second question. What can AI do better than me? Be honest with yourself and recognize that your answer to this question will clarify how you can use AI tools to become more productive. Let me give you a personal example. As a professional speaker and coach, I have facilitated thousands of keynote presentations, training programs, and workshops. One of my favorite learning tools is the case study, which works really well for my smaller sessions. The problem is that it takes hours to create an effective case study for a particular audience. Enter ChatGPT. With an effective prompt, I can create an ideal case study in minutes rather than hours. AI is better than me at doing it, and I've become more effective because of it. The last myth is, I need to become an expert in artificial intelligence. This is another misconception because a high level of technical expertise in AI is not required to successfully use AI. You do not need to understand the engineering behind a bunch of AI tools. You just need to learn how to use a few tools that will make you more efficient, effective, and productive. For me, that's ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Artlist AI, and Canva. Here's your last question. What's the first AI tool you need to master? That's it. Do not let these myths deter you. Just answer the 3 questions I posed and you'll build a strong foundation for your AI journey.